pelo trabalho de vocês, pelo carinho que vocês têm com a gente, pelo louco. Muitos que estão aqui. Eu queria cada vez que vocês crescessem mais.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, hey, John, make your me clear. What's up, Bodie? What's happening? What's up, Sean Paul? What's happening? Hey, now, ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Turn this thing on out. Now let me see everybody do this. Hey, let's go. Happy finals. Do you stand? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it.
Hit the club, we've been mobbing all day, drinking on some Rossi, John on Patron, VIP status, strapped with my chrome. Look around the club, what do I say? Everybody rocking side to side to the beat, snapping 9 fingers, bouncing to the groove, all by themselves. That's the new move. Where I'm from, you like to go dumb. I'm soaking up the game, I'm seeing how it's done. I ain't shorty what they call it, she said the poop out, straight from Bankhead. I said you're good at it, good at what you do, you and your crew. They even got players and thugs going into it. The more that I drink, the more it's looking smooth. It's nothing to a boss, I can do the shit too.
Brand new tune. And if you ain't know, this is how it goes.